I will open a restaurant. Here's my first customer.
Hey Dora. Can I get a job here?
Yes, Warren.
Can I get a job here?
Yes.
Hey, can I get a job here?
Yes, Mommy 9909.
Here's our first customer.
Welcome to McDonald's. What do you want?
I would like a cheeseburger.
Here you go.
That way sent a good food. It tastes like poop. I'm calling your parents.
Lol, you don't have your phone. Because you don't have pants? Ha ha ha, sucker.
That's it.
Oh no, it's our parents.
Dora.
Bobby.
Warren.
Mammy 9909.
How dare you open a restaurant and selling poop? You are grounded over 2, 3, 8, 9, 5, 1, 8, 0, 6, 8, 1, 5, 0 years. We are going home.